So I was giving you guys reasons why this is a good entry. Okay, this is boom 1000 1 hour time frame. Okay, the market had altered this low, sorry, this support level, came back down, and now is retesting the area again. And this, the actual trend of the market, like we did our top down analysis, is a sell trend. Okay, so we tried to put our this thing, see, is it falls between where the current market is now. This is just 18 pips. Okay, so my stop loss is normally between 15 pips and 20 pips, or 12 pips in some few cases. Actually, I trade what the market gives me. So this is where we meet the market. Okay, so we don't really have an option or what else to do. So why am I entering? Why should we be entering this trade now? It falls on my golden zone, my Fibonacci golden zone, which is the 618 level and the 50 level. When I place my Fibonacci on the swing high, drag it to the swing low, extend it, you see it falls between these two lines, which is my 618 level and my 50 level. I really work with my 618 level than the 50 level, because now we are now buying at a cheaper rate and we'll be selling at a higher rate. So now this is confirmation number 1, key level, confirmation number 2, my Fibonacci. And now, since for someone like me, my stop loss would be above these highs. Okay, but for you guys, since I'm actually dropping this as a signal for you guys, we refine the entry to this spot. Our stop loss will be at this spot. So you have to sell this market from this current zone. Okay, our stop loss 9 pips, 9 to 10 pips. It's fine. It's not, if you check your this thing, it's not much drawdown. So I take profit is 1:5, 1.5. First level take profit. Why are we taking that place at first level take profit is because of this range here. Okay, market will come back to this spot and start reversing and going back to the upside. So stop loss 11, sell for boom 1000, stop loss 11482.8409. that's the stop loss. Market execution, enter now and take profit at 11252.668. okay, so actually we have derived an entry from this trade. So let's hope it goes the right way. Was it 1000? So what's today's date? December 23rd. Okay, you guys can key in this trade. Let's see how it goes. Even though it's on your live, your demo, key in this trade. I've keyed in my 2 entries when that stuff ended. So I keep 1 entry for a retracement, maybe back to this area here. Now I'll put my 1 entry. Alright. This boom 1000. Stop loss 114,482.84. Forget me again.
Please, can I say something?
Please go ahead.
Based on the little analysis I did, currently it is at a support level.
Yes.
Using the 15 minutes time frame.
Okay, I'm on 15 minutes too here.
Yes, it is on a support level. So I don't know if waiting for a retest before entering will be best.
A retest on what time frame? Same 15 minutes. A retest at what time frame? Same 15 minutes.
Yes, if we could wait for a retest to confirm whether the trend is really going down or this is just coming down and then continuing its uptrend.
Okay. That's actually left for you. That's actually left for you. Like I said, when this thing ended, I had to impute my 2 entries. So I always keep 1 or 2 entries more. Normally, I put in 3 entries. Okay, I keep 1 entry or 2 entries for a retracement. It's not because I say we should sell. It means that market will start flying down to the downside. I don't own the market. Market will do its thing. It may start ranging at this spot. It may even go back and almost to kiss this stop loss and start coming back down. And here we are trading against the spikes. So one spike alone can come back to this level. Or even 2 spikes can pass this level and it will start coming down, but let's not hope for that though. Where I'm now setting, I will set my my sell limit order again. From here will be this spot here where this line is, this level here. That's another lower time frame, like 5 minutes, 1 minute resistance level. But if you check in our 1 hour, it has given me my kind of confirmation, which is an engulfing candle close. It has given me an engulfing candle close. See, those things that you normally see like support, I understand your question and your worries, because they taught us all that we should do what, buy as support and do what, sell as resistance. But if you understand my kind of trades, my trades are always in those places you call support. I trade my sells on those supports. I trade my buys on those resistance. But before I trade those buys on those resistance, that means that support level has now changed that resistance area has now changed to a support area. I don't know. This thing is not loading. This their update is annoying. It's not loading. It's not loading. Okay, I think it has taken us to what is it called? To 4-hour time frame. So my kind of entries, if you guys normally hear what I say or observe my statements, I always say my final set of confirmation for candle closing. I always wait for candle closing. So if I'm to wait for candle closing, I always wait for candle closing. In the case of a sell trade, for a bearish candle closing, engulfing candle closing before I place my trade. So this is actually where we would have had that trade placed. But this is in 4 hours. Rather, it should have been done in 1 hour, which still falls with that initial place I said I'm keeping 1 entry now for a retracement. You see, it still falls in that high around this area, which I'm keeping 1 entry for a retracement. It may retrace back to that level. If it really means to sell, it will sell all the way to this downside. Yeah. So that break and retest you are also looking for, we already have a break and retest, which is what I drew here, which is this rectangle I drew here. Let me make it bigger. Let me make it bigger. Yeah. Which is this rectangle I drew here. So markets actually came back to this zone, which is a key level. I love mentioning key level. Markets actually came back to this zone, though it broke above the That's what the market normally do sometimes. That's why you have to be patient and wait for it. Okay, so although it has not altered the highs, it has not altered this high. How did I put that? This high, this high. So it still remains valid. Okay, so
Okay.
you already have a break and retest, but now what you saw or what you are waiting for, looking for, is in lower time frame. But I've had my own break and retest in higher time frame. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
but if you still want to wait for a retest, if you are trading live or with your own strategy, you can still decide to wait. But if you want to join us, you can join us.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other question, please? Because we should be taking this Zoom session to an end. We have been zooming for over 2 or 3 hours now. Do you have any questions?
What about that V75?
What about V75?
About marking up something before we move to the boom at 1000.
We're about doing what?
I don't. About marking up what they call it a trade setup the other time.
Uh,
Before I don't know. I think the Zoom actually like timed up. Then we now switch to the boom 1000. I think if we could look that up again, I don't know.
okay. Okay. Let me bring it up. Man, man. What's wrong with this? Is there an update? They should finish this, their updates now.
It's even slow save on my phone.
Yeah, it's because they are working on the site. They are working on the site. That issue I told you I had is just general. They have changed a lot of things. Even now, volatility doesn't trade every day. They go on breaks on weekend. Actually, Trading View though, just on Trading View. So by tomorrow, if you come on Trading View, you see Trading View will be freeze from this night. So
For volatility, right?
yeah, so like you can see here, written here, market closes in 9 hours and 8 minutes. So we have 9 hours and 8 minutes to use their platform. It's a new update for them. I don't know why they are doing so, but it's fine. Maybe we just have to go back to our initial source of MetaTrader analysis. Okay, this is V75.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, these are the levels I marked out. Okay, this is a stronger key level. This is more like a weaker key level, but price could move from this area. So if you are looking out for sales on V75, the first level could be here, a very tight stop loss, but we don't have our 1 hour engulfing candle close yet. It is not yet confirmed. I love engulfing candle close to show bearish momentum. But where the market actually is on a 15-minute key level. Mine is still taking forever to open. Nothing is even responding. So you can just look out for this area on your 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes and just mark it out. If you have a bearish engulfing candle close here, you go for the sales. You continue the sales. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This thing is actually taking long
Yeah.
to load, so it's not frustrating.
You said where where should we look at it? You said
Here,
moving
here,
average to
I,
close it.
I already drew an area here to look out for. This is a stronger level.
Mm-hmm.
This level is stronger. This one is less stronger. It's a medium level, but in lower time frame is strong. Like 15 minutes key level. This is a key level 15 minutes. We have a shooting star. This candle here is a shooting star. So it should follow by an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle. So if you have a bearish engulfing candle close, okay, it has now opened, but it's still in 1 hour. I wanted to open it in 15 minutes. It doesn't. So if you have an 1 hour candle closing is closing in 7 minutes, so I don't think we'll have an engulfing candle close here, unless you have to scale down to 15 minutes and check if you have an engulfing candle close in 15 minutes. But my network is kinda slow and it's not opening, or the website is not even my network, because every other thing is opening fast. So if you have, because 1 hour candle is going to close now in 6 minutes, it's going to close in 6 minutes. So if you check your 30 minutes and you have an engulfing candle followed by this shooting star, yes, we have a good entry for a sell. But if it's ranging, or if it's giving us this kind of current candle that we are seeing, so what we need, okay, this is 30 minutes. So what we need now in 30 minutes is an engulfing candle to the downside. We have to break out of all these structures. Then we can now place our sell trade somewhere around here. Put our stop loss at this high. Or better still, you can just wait for a 1 hour candle close. 1 hour is going to close in 5 minutes. But from the look of things, it's not giving us a bearish engulfing candle. Though we have a bearish engulfing candle here, this initial one here at this spot, but it's a shooting star in 1 hour. So I'd rather wait for that of 1 hour than to take the trade from here. I don't know if you guys get me.
Yes, sure.
1 hour is going to close in 5 minutes, but now we have scaled down to 30 minutes. We can scale down. What we will be looking out for now is this candle should close lower than all this. The body of this candle should close lower than this week's. Then you can take your sell entry. So it will be somewhere around here, and your stop loss 10 pips or 8 pips. 10 pips is here, is above this high. This is still 9 pips, but just make your stop loss like 8 pips inside here.
So,
Well,
can you read it out so that I can just write it down? Because
okay.
thank you, sir.
3500, sorry, 350222.31.
0333.
No, 350222 222. Who they call me? Senior man. Man, that person know they pick my call, oh, so never they serious. Now why I never call you? Hello?
It's 35.
3500 35022 triple
Two,
two
two, 350
350
triple two
yeah,
311.
yeah.
Okay. Then for
Take profits
Entry.
100 entry. Entry, we have to wait for this candle to close. Get me right. A bearish engulfing candle closing here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we don't have a number for entry, but take profit is 100% retracement level here.
This what's the number? Three. Sorry, I use glasses, so I need to put mine down. The numbers, I don't miss it.
Hold on, let me call it for you. Triple three, 333,
Okay, sir.
646.688.
Got it. Got it.
Alright, so just monitor your trade. Just monitor your trade. I don't think I'll be sending signals today anymore. I don't even have to take signals every day. It's one of those benefits of joining a live Zoom session, because probably before we are done, we could find possible trade entries like we just did and work with that. So
Thank you very much, sir.
that will be all for today. Thank you guys for your time. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. I enjoyed the session. I'll always come back to join too.
no problem. You enjoy more if you pay for it. Imagine the time I'm giving you guys for free. Then if you are paying for it, I can die for you to make sure you succeed.
Don't worry, when we make the money, we'll come and do the paid session.
No
Some of
problem.
us, we are now starting.
I understand. I understand. It's fine. Alright. You guys enjoy your day.